guys, hi YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, you're gonna be shopping with us today. Me and hubby and our son decided to go by the Dollar General. I've watched a lot of videos on
That's a
Dollar General,
big
and I
Play-Doh.
always said that I was gonna
I
go
didn't know the
by
price for
there.
this. He just picked
And
it up
honestly,
for
I
me.
didn't even know we had a Dollar General until I Googled it. I was like, oh, okay. So I found one that was like 30 minutes away from our
Where did you
house.
get it from?
And so Sunday we were not doing anything, so we decided to go by there.
And
And when we walked in, the first thing we noticed was that it was way smaller. It was organized, and a lot of the items that they had were major brand names. And so we decided to take like a few items and kind of compare
I
between
think
Walmart
everything's
and
a
like a
dollar
Dollar
there.
Tree, and we noticed that the prices were a little bit higher for some of the items. Dollar Tree and Walmart are like 15 minutes away from our house, so definitely we will go there
What?
instead of the Dollar General because most of the
Ziploc
items
bags?
there really were similar, and it
Sometimes.
seemed like some of them were highly priced.
Sometimes we do.
And then the ones that we found that were like a dollar, most of them were at the Dollar Tree. So it was just like, okay. I remember when we were going back to the car, we looked at each other and we were like, was this really worth a 30-minute drive? And we were like, not really. It was nice to get out, but really, 30-minute drive, no, we'll be going back to Walmart or regular Dollar Tree. Our son had fun. He was looking through toys and things like that. So for him, it was fun. And I find that a lot of the toys that were there were like $1, $3, or $5. So the Dollar General is not a dollar store only. It's mainly
$1.
it starts from
Okay.
$1 all the way to like $13 because we found some items there that were kind of
Yeah,
pricey.
you gotta take one out.
So yeah, but overall it was a good
No, you leave
experience. I
this one
don't
or
think
you
we'll be
leave this
driving
one.
back there again
This
for a
one or
while to
this one?
go back in there because we didn't really find anything that
Which
was
one you want? This one or that one?
that
Okay.
impressive like some of the
No,
videos that
just
I've
one.
watched.
Which one?
So I guess
This
it
one
really
or that
depends
one?
on where you live and stuff like that. So every store, I guess, stocks different items. So if yours has way more things, let me know. But overall, like we didn't really see anything that different from like a Walmart or a Dollar Tree. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We definitely had fun walking around, and our son definitely got a few items. We got I bought some items like a
Yeah.
dustpan, Glade spray, and like some cleaning products and stuff like that. But overall, really not that much because we didn't really find anything that was worth spending that much. We also decided to.
Don't scare me. Oh, the bugs? I don't look at me. Oh, you scared of me? Oh, scare me. Just scare me.
What is this?
Okay, you recording? What are you doing? Answer, do you want a book? One we can read? Pick a book. Oh, this is part of the coloring book. We could color. You don't like it? But I had. Look at this one.
Look, they have a little ball here.
I guess it is. It bounces? Wow. Whoa. Is that $1? His little game thing?
I don't know.
No?
I don't know.
I think I
Okay.
wanted this for my purse. Because the other one keeps leaking.
And you know how to boat?
Okay, let's look
Do
some
you
more.
know how to boot? Do you know how to boot?
Yeah.
And then they have cards over here.
It stays.
Baby
Crack. Almost gone. One of a kind, $1 dustpan.
Yeah. Try being either one of those guys. Any. I'll be right with you.
Do you want to go to bed?
Daddy, over
Ha.
there.
Oh.
I
Okay, there
found
you go.
you.
What you
I'm
found?
showing you here.
I'm going this way.
Oh,
Over there.
oh. So, where we go?
Yeah, and then we go. Wait, hold on.
We
We
are
gotta
going
see.
to do this. Are
We
you
gotta
gone?
see. Oh, they got little rugs.
I can sit.
Yeah, they got little rugs, see? They got a brown rug, a black rug.
I can't sit, but I can sit down.
No, because you got all your toys there.
Mm.
Okay, come on, keep walking. Walk forward, walk forward.
Let's go walking from mommy's house. What are you looking for?
Oh,
This is mommy's.
right here. I just got the bathroom.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
mommy.
Okay.
I can't go this which way.
So, what are we looking at here? Oh yeah, the
What
thing
is
is
this?
broken.
There are many rugs.
Okay, so that's pretty much the end of it.
Look, and then they got these cute little lights. See that? Cute little lights, babe? They're actually battery operated. I don't think it turns on.
Close it, that we can't open it. Hey, but I can sit.
You wanna sit?
Yeah.
Inside?
Yeah.
Okay. But there's no space really. Okay, watch out.
Oh,
Okay, go.
it's scary.
It is. Go. Oh! Oh! Go all the way. I gotta close it. Gotta close it. Go.
Hey, we stuck.
Because you can take this one out.
I look at me.
So what is
Look at these little $10 racks. Shoe racks.
There you go. So now you have space.
Little $10 shoe racks, babe. Let's go.
Oh, they're plastic, huh?
No, it's plastic and metal.
See, I'm not free.
You want the Glade rolls or that one?
Oh, I almost got the Glade because it smells good while you roll it. It's over here.
It's right here.
So, but it was a 2-pack, I think.
Is it this one?
Oh, yeah, that's a 1-pack. Okay. So I just need to whenever and then they had the little cubes they said.
And then they got the Scots one.
I think this is $2.
Okay. That's it?
So, yeah. But I don't see anything that's really.
But I
Do we go all the way to the end?
I just
No.
want to do
Oh,
out there.
Try it again.
Oh, here's the Swiffer.
I saw that.
That's the large. That's the large one. Is it the little candles you already saw?
Yeah, I saw it. Oh, the little party areas, yeah.
This is the bubbly.
Isn't that the one you wanted?
Huh?
Because it has a
But we-
nozzle.
But we have, I have some in the closet
Oh, okay.
that I saved.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. It had bubbly over here.
They do? Oh, okay.
This will be your drink.
I don't even know what that
So
is.
just flavored water.
Oh,
And a lot of people have been talking about this is grapefruit.
that's the blackberry one.
Yeah, they said if you trying to
Try the blackberry
glass
one
soda.
because there's hella people that took that one.
if you want to stay away from drinking soda.
Oh, they got the Lipton tea here too.
Ooh.
You purely? No, it's actually 2 for $3, so it's
Oh.
cheaper.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the coffee, that's the You ready to go?
Yeah, you ready to go?
All right.
You have a whole bunch of coffee. Dunkin' Donuts.
Bye.
But how much is it?
Now my
Oh, the Starbucks is still high.
Yeah, still $7.
That's $7. Okay.
And then there's Dunkin' Donuts shop right there. That one right there.
Okay.
Hazelnut.
$4.95 for their own glass.
Oh.
But it's a K cup for 12. I don't know.
You know what you need to do is get that little needle can, and whenever you need to go coffee, just take some of that, put it in there.
Mm-hmm.
Cause there's small ones
But
too.
I don't like these anymore. This flavor from Folgers, I'm not a fan of it anymore. I just like the.
There's a McDonald's coffee.
No, McDonald's. I don't like. I've never liked it. People say it's good. I don't know. But I'm trying to compare. Is it? No, the other one's $2.95. The walnut one, I think.
Guys,
Are you sure this is $1 per piece? That
yeah.
was $3 or $2.
Probably like 10.
I think it's higher than that.
Now you make it out to the.
I
Yeah,
think it's higher.
it's probably higher.
Not bad.
They got Oreos. Oh yeah, there's a Hot Pockets.
Huh?
Hot Pockets
Are they cheaper?
and pizza and the ice cream. Oh, sorry. We got the little mini tacos. We even got beer. Heineken. Budweiser, Corona. And all them chips. Oh, we gotta go around?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Alright.
You want to sit?
We'll be back here.
Mommy, it's not so sick.
Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse.
Look, a little chair.
It's not Mickey Mouse.
It is Mickey Mouse.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
That's good.
You want to get
A
out?
lot of stuff.
No.
You want to get out of the car?
No. I chose the worker card. Is that green?
Hopefully this is
Is that green?
What?
Is that green over there?
What is this? This is more block.
Green and red and
Oh, it's a
yellow.
little truck thing.
Is that yellow and red and green and red and yellow?
Yellow.
And
Oh,
red?
they got the flower ones.
Yeah.